Hello, this is Jim Desai and welcome back to my channel. I'm at Desert Hall right now, waiting for my friend Binil, and we're going to Daman today. So let's see how it goes. See you back. Hello, so we are at Fountain Hotel and with my bro, my best buddy.
Hi, this is Jim Desai. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
So see you on the road. So we have reached Aura right now, and yeah, for a lovely breakfast. Yeah. They're bringing extra. Ooh. Oh man. They're bringing some extra place. We have reached Aura now. Have lovely bun maska and tea.
Hi, this is Jim Desai. And welcome to my YouTube channel.
Now we reach hotel. That's the hotel. Now we are entering the hotel premises. हाँ क्या चाहिए हाँ हाँ That's the main gate of the hotel. That's the hotel there. And we reached finally. Wow, happy. Looking forward for a lovely stay. Huh? मेरा नाम जिंद साई है क्या? Lovely. हाँ 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 चलो I know where we are. I saw on YouTube. Wow, Bill, lovely यार. हाँ हाँ parking shade. नहीं पहले वहाँ ले लेफ्ट रिमूव सामान नहीं पार्क क्या करें पहले पार्क करें हाँ lovely man it's like unity that's unity हाँ यही है हाँ इधर यही है unload truck oops Whew. Finally we reached now. Looking for a great stay. Lovely. अरे anytime bro, anytime यार.
गैरेज में प्लेन और आपको उड़ाना नहीं आता हो तो जिम पे इनका नंबर आ रहा होगा on the screen or it will be in the description. Please go and spam him and tell him कि my helicopter is not moving.
Sure. Nice lawn. Wow.
X-ray scan machine सब करेंगे ना.
Everything. हाँ. सब बनने वाला है. It's off. I think it's off. है क्या? Close. कोई staff नहीं है. There's no staff. Nice, huh? Swimming pool. Nice. Hello. So we have reached right now, and the weather is very beautiful, pleasant, and we're sitting outside waiting for a room to be handed over us. So have a look. There's the property. And our bikes are parked just behind there, those cars there, that side. Lovely place. That's busy with the game. He's playing game right now on his phone. In such a lovely weather, lovely property, he's playing game on his phone. What a silly thing to do. So silly, playing game on his phone. We're going to a room now. We got a room. On our way to the room. Yeah, nice place. Well, where is it? Huh? See lobby. Wow. See the lobby walkway. Nice walkway. Wow. Lovely walkway, beautiful. That's the room. That's the door. We enter the door.
It's huge.
Lovely. Wow. Lovely. The room is huge. A huge room. Huge room. Beautiful. Work table.
yeah. और ये
Wow. Bottom. Favorite.
Here I go, out to sea again. The sunshine fills my hair, and dreams hang in the air. Gold in the sky, and in my blue eye, you know it feels unfair.
Hello again. So today we had a good time in Daman. We went to explore the whole city, and we went to Jambori beach, this very beautiful place. It's a road, long road along with the coastline, and it's beautiful trees inside. We went there, and then we went to a church. The whole church is carved on stone. Very beautiful place, stone carvings. Then we just came to the hotel. We had a dinner right now, and that's it. Calling a night. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be happy. See you. Cheers.